In this video we're doing an honest review of Bitstamp, one of the oldest crypto exchanges still operating and often praised for its history, regulatory licensing in Europe, and solid security practices like cold storage and 2FA. Those strengths make Bitstamp look trustworthy on the surface, but recent user feedback paints a more complicated picture. Many customers report sudden account freezes, long verification loops, and delayed withdrawals that sometimes stretch for weeks. Even long-verified users claim their accounts were locked without clear explanations, and support responses can be slow when funds are stuck. Bitstamp's fee structure is also higher than many modern competitors, and its selection of tradable assets is more limited compared to newer exchanges offering hundreds of coins. While the platform itself is stable and has strong institutional roots, these recent reliability concerns mean it may not deliver the smooth experience traders expect, especially if you need quick access to your money. Overall, Bitstamp can still work for cautious, experienced users, but you should avoid storing large balances there and prepare for stricter than average compliance checks. For more straight, data-based crypto reviews, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.